Hi, loves! Eto, sobrang fun ng song na to kasi kinanta namin to sa Feast. The Feast PRCC. So, the happiest place on earth. So, sobrang nakaka-feel good yung song. Title niya is Wake ba yung song. Tapos, na-experience nyo na ba yung ano? Parang ang saya-saya nyo lang pag kumakanta kayo ng mga present versions na songs. Sobrang ang sarap kasi pag kumakanta ka, na-express mo yung sarili mo at the same time, nagpe-pray ka kay Lord. Nakakatuwa lang. Yun, stay positive! Now, paka-hyper tayo kayo. Kaya lang kayo, kanta din kayo. Download nyo din yung song. Pakinggan nyo. Maging masaya din kayo. Mas mabaliw-baliwan mo kayo. Baka mahulog ulit. To the night, you will never fade away. Your love is here to stay by my side in my life, shining through me every day. You will never fade away. Your love is here to stay by my side in my life, shining through me every day. Hindi siya masyado makagalaw, nag-drive. Dapat eh. Eyes on the road, eyes on the road. Wake within me, wake within me. You're in my heart forever. Wake within me, wake within me. You're in my heart forever. Kala mo pang party-party song lang eh. Oo nga. Wake within me, you're in my heart forever. Wake within me, wake within me, you're in my heart forever. Yun, at ganyan lang, masaya. Kahit ano, may pinagdadaanan tayo sa buhay, dapat maging positive pa rin tayo hanggang kaya. Team Positive! Yes! Stay positive, spread the love! Ganon! Ganon! Uy, nahuhulog na siya. Tapos, ano to, nagiging masigla ulit si Jam pala. Nakakakwenta na siya, tapos nagpe-pray siya ng mabuti. Siya daw yung nag-lead ng prayer sa hospital, sa mga doon, sa Joshua. Tapos, ayun pala, may shoot sa Globe mamaya. In behalf of Jamich, ako muna representative ng Jamich. Para sa Valentine's. Your love is here to stay by my side in my life, shining through me every day. You will never fade away. By my side in my life. Uy, gusto ko matuto mag-drum. Ganito pa ang maliit. Kaso yung ganyan mo. I love you, love. Thank you. Wake within me, you're in my heart forever. Wake within me, ay, tas uuwi na pala ata si Jack this week. Baka bukas. Yun lang. Ingat kayo. God bless. See you around. Sana makita ka namin sa The Feast PITC. Magkasama ka namin ng mag-church. Sobrang masaya doon. 10:30 AM kami usually. Ingat, bye! Bye!